Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add members to your Microsoft Teams app. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Microsoft Teams app. Now all we need to do is to go to your calendar. Now on your events, just tap on Add New Event. Now you can now enter your new event and then you can see Add Participants. Just tap on that and then you can type the name or the email of the person that you want to add as your member. And then after that, just tap on the check button at the top to save your participant. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.